Should we get wood through there? I think it'll fit. Do you guys hear that? Do you hear that? There's something in my garage right now. There's something in my garage. Hey! Oh, it's Justin. What are you doing in here?
Getting the heater running.
What's going on? I'm in the house trying to relax. What are you doing in here? The heater. You're trying to heat up shop, huh? Dude, if a fly flew in front of that, it probably wouldn't even make it go out of its way.
We're in business, boys.
That wouldn't heat up my ankle.
Oh!
Alright, now that's pretty cool. What's going on? What do you got going on here?
I'm gonna put a radiator in.
Dude.
Not a radiator, but a radiator.
You couldn't even call me and tell me you just had to sneak into my garage, bring all the stuff that you bought from Crutchfield.
Yep, Crutchfield.
Oh my god. I'm getting sick of this guy. I don't even know what to do with him anymore.
I'm sick about it, boys.
Every time I try and relax, he comes over with some stupid stuff.
Oh. You're not a real mechanic, so it might be an electronics mechanic.
Right. I've put plenty of radios in.
Yeah, well, this one's going to be difficult, apparently.
Alright, what do you got? Let's see. Hold it up. What do you got here?
Got me this thing.
What's that?
Steering wheel control.
Okay.
Don't know how to work it.
Sorry. What else you got?
Got this plug. Don't know what it goes to.
Yeah.
Got me the radiator.
Which kind of radiator did you get?
Got me a Boss.
The Boss dabbled in?
Yep. Got me some old Apple CarPlay. Right there.
Hi, boys. Hi. All right. So.
Is that middle seat comfy?
Dude, it really is.
Is it?
Like, I could ski right here for sure. You know what I mean? And I could hang out on the sunroof.
Ah.
All right, boys. So, we already kind of started. Well, huh? Well, we didn't really like start doing anything. I just came out here and pulled, and it kind of came out. So, I really love this interior, dude. This interior is sweet. I want to, like, that's the only thing about Ford I like, dude, is I want to put these seats in my truck.
Yeah.
Are you squaring your nipple right now? Why can't you just be serious?
I'm serious. What's up?
Yeah. Guys, power stroke, bud. Alright, let's see what we got over here. I think, if I remember correctly, there was a screw somewhere on one of these.
Obviously don't remember correctly.
I don't know, dude. I've taken so many freaking dashboards apart, I just, like, don't even know what's what anymore.
Yeah, you want me to hold that for you?
Yeah, like over here, though.
Just start ripping on it, dude. Break
No.
it. Fucking break it. Just break it, dude.
Alright. I don't want to fuck on my truck. Alright, guys. So, we got everything out. Pretty much what we did just to get the dash off. Just, you know, turn the key forward, put the shifter all the way down in first. And then you can lift it up over. And then you can, like, kind of crawl from the top. And then start unplugging everything from the back.
Where's that knife?
You know, most of these clips are just like a normal clip you would mess with. You just push the pin down. That's how you release them.
Dude, I'd have a dream.
Dude, it'd be nice if we could find the door code from right here up top.
When you take it out, you can, I'm pretty sure.
We're gonna see if we can find the door code for this truck too. If anyone has never seen that video, we did a video on how to find your code for your keyless entry. So, buddy's gonna start tossing me stuff here for the radio. We have all kinds of stuff. Let's organize this and we'll get back to you. So right now what we're doing is we're just matching colors. You know, I don't know if a lot of you guys have installed radios before, but most of the stuff's just color coded. Like, you got two greens, you have one green with the black, and then just a solid green. So, like, this is the aftermarket harness that plugs into the stock harness, and, like, this is the harness for the radio. So you would just match everything together. You'd find the black, or you'd find the solid green on this, and the solid green here. Then you would just, you know, use, like, normally you would use a you know, like a barrel connector or something, but I've done that too many times where I've done it and screwed up on something, plugged it in, then I had to start snipping them, and then the wires get short. Like, I'm just gonna kind of like do a little test trial run right now. I'm not gonna bore you guys with, you know, me crimping connectors down. So we're gonna go ahead and just start wiring this up, and we'll plug it in and see if we, you know, radio's powered and everything. Kind of just mocked it up. Like I said, guys, I'm not gonna crimp all this right now. I'm gonna, you know, tape it up just that way I can plug it in and see if it's working. I don't want these wires to arc. I had to send Justin in house for the electrical tape because for some reason it was in my drawer where all my deodorant and stuff is.
Yeah, it was too.
I don't know why.
That's funny how you
plugged it in, and I kind of, you know, I separated all the wires so there wasn't any arcing or anything, but
you probably pull that shit off there. Probably not gonna let you. Oh shit. Okay. Pull that screen off there.
I usually don't. I usually wait until we're done, but fresh AF.
That's not gonna work. A little Bluetooth. What's up? Hey, yes. Oh, we're connected.
Really? It's really loud. We were in here looking around for the wires, and that's the there's a box for some of you guys that maybe haven't watched the video. There's a box, right, that big black box. It's a black box, right. You guys can see my hands right here. Justin had a manual in his truck, and the code was different, and somebody swapped this box out, so we just found his door code. It's the box is upside down in this truck, so the numbers, there's 5 big bold letters on there, and we just found his, and Justin just changed his. It's pretty easy to change too. You type the old code in, hit 1, do your new code, and then it unlocks and locks, and then that's it. But we're still trying to figure out this stuff here. Some wires are on here, some are on here, because both, you know, there's climate control and the radio on this. Cruise control, all that good stuff. So we got to do a little bit of digging here so we can figure out what the hell we're doing. I've never hooked one up. Every time I've hooked one up, I've just never cared to have it, to be honest with you. But the luxury of it, why not try and save it? Alright, boys. Figured out how to get the steering wheel controls to work. What was that? What did I say? Pin 18. Pin 18, which is this. What color is that? It's like a teal and a red, is pin 18. And we had to take the green and white wire off this AC, SW, whatever box, whatever it's called. And we had to splice it into that wire. So I just grabbed like a barrel connector and pinched it together and, you know, taped it back up. And pretty much all these other wires are useless because they come universal for a bunch of different vehicles, so we don't even need these. But we're just going to tidy up all this stuff right now. We got everything. I got all the wires put together. I just kind of duct taped it up, wrapped it around, tried to keep, you know, everything from just flying around back there. Ran the USB for the Apple CarPlay. Ran the microphone up here, down, all the way across. Now I just gotta build the dash kit. And alright, so we got everything mounted. Radio's in there pretty tight. I got the dash kit built. I had to snip off quite a bit of stuff. I can't really explain to you guys how to build this thing. I mean, you just kind of gotta put it together and line up the holes and just fit it. There's like 3 tabs right here. These little side plates snap into. You kind of gotta put them on an angle and then like snap them in. Yeah, everything's working on it. See here, we'll let it turn on real quick.
in a way with the
Yeah, I did. Like I said, I got.
Be someone else. Like I could see how a path in my life could have led to my being in that moment. I really
got
could.
the buttons working here.
I guess a little.
Next button works too. So yeah, we're gonna throw this dash on real quick, and then this project should be done. And then I have a video upload, and that's kind of important. I want you guys to all watch. So yeah, we'll finish this real quick. All right, so it's all done. Everything's in. It looks really good in this truck. His other truck, you know, had a double din in it too. We didn't put that one in. It was already put in, but his other truck never had any of the, you know, the buttons on the wheel here. And every vehicle I've ever owned or put a radio in, no one ever cared to have it, so I never hooked it up. So it was kind of interesting doing it. Never done it before. That little diagram that we found helped out a lot. So yeah, that's what it looks like in there. And sounds good. Everything works good on it. He was having some issues with the Apple CarPlay or whatever, so he'll figure that out. But yeah, I hope the video kind of helped. It was easier to, you know, turn it on and put it down in first, and then tilt the steering wheel down, and then I could like kind of fold the dash out. And I did the same thing when I was putting it in, and I kind of left it hanging out a little bit, and I just plugged everything in from the back while it was like halfway on there. And yeah, looks good. I like it. I'm sure he'll be happy with it. That's gonna wrap this video up. Got a lot of stuff going on here in the next couple days. You know, I'm gonna be uploading a video right after this one. I want you guys to watch that because it's kind of has a lot of meaning to it. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link in the description below to everything that he bought from Crutchfield for this, you know, install. And yeah, Crutchfield's always been a good place to go to. We've bought lots of radios from them guys and lots of install kits, and every dash kit that I've ever installed that came from Crutchfield usually fit right in. It fits real good. You know, the lines, everything just looks factory in a way. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. All the support helps. Like, comment. If you have any questions, just comment below, and we'll talk to you later.